Good day, code fans. This is Bill Stannard from Yes Online Learning at the St. Louis Science Center with another of our online learning sessions, this one titled PocketCode Lesson Number 3, kittyChase, in which we'll explore how to have a phone-controlled character chase down and try to catch another moving character on the screen. So, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do once I get PocketCode working is to click on the New Project button, and I'm going to name this project kittyChase, but I'm going to put my initials first. So in that case, it's going to be BS for Bill Stannard, an underscore, and then kittyChase. And I want my orientation to be up and down, in other words, portrait, so I click OK. And I want to add a background. So I'm going to click on background and then click again on backgrounds. And I'm going to click the plus button and go to my media laboratory. Once I get to the media library, I'm going to scroll down and look for the dark one all the way near the bottom on the right-hand side, which is called Forest Night. I'm going to click the back button and the back button again, and this time I'm going to add an actor. And the first actor I'm going to add from the media library is going to be Catboy. So I'm going to scroll down and pick the smiling Catboy, which is in the second row of Catboys, the one all the way to the right. And I'm going to change his name to just Catboy. Okay, and I am going to write some code for Catboy. So I'm going to click on him. I'm going to go to scripts, and my first plus is going to be the event when the scene starts. And the first thing I'm going to do is adjust his size. So I'm going to click on the plus and looks, and then set size. And I'm going to set his size to 120. So 120%. The next thing I'm going to do is, because this is a game, I'm going to put in a forever game loop. So I'm going to click plus and control and forever. And I'm going to move that down below the set size to 120. And you'll see as soon as I do that, I end up with the end of loop. And I'm now going to add another piece of code, which is going to be for motion, and this is how we're going to move the Catboy around. And I'm going to use the first block there, place at, and I'm going to move that down so it's inside of the forever loop. And the first part of the place at X, I'm going to click on 100, and I'm going to edit the formula. And I am going to go down to sensors because I want the X position of the Catboy to be tied in with the inclination of X. And because I wanted the Catboy to move to the right when I tilt to the right, I'm going to start off with a inclination X, time sign, and then a -10. Because if I just leave it as the inclination X, it doesn't move very far. By multiplying it by 10, it makes it move a little bit farther. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to do the same thing for the Y. So I'm now going to do sensors, inclination Y, times -10. Okay. And there we go. So let's try that out. Let's see what Catboy looks like when Catboy is moving. There we are. As I tilt my phone to the right and to the left, Catboy moves around. Okay, well that's it, code fans. This is the first part of our lesson. This is Bill Stannard from Yes Online Learning at the St. Louis Science Center with another of our online learning sessions titled PocketCode Lesson Number 3, kittyChase, and we'll be back with the second part and the last part, the final part of the lesson in just a moment. So bye for now, and I'll see you in our next lesson. And thanks for watching